Yeah, battery's dead on my Polaris 2002, so one of these days I think I'm going to notch this out here so I can get something in there straight. You can reach underneath here and get this out. Always unhook the positive first. No, not the positive, the negative, you dummy. Why? Well, I kind of remember what it was, but if you unhook the positive first, I meant the negative. Good grief. To take the what do you call it? The risk of shorting it out on anything. If you do the negative, if you do the positive first, you possibly still could short something out when you're working on it. So there you go. Okay, the reason you unhook the negative first is because if you were to unhook the positive and you accidentally took the tool and hooked it to the positive and bumped the frame somewhere, the frame is all negative. Once you remove the negative terminal, the frame is nothing. Okay? Thanks. Really easy on these to take the battery out, tip it, and out. All they have here is a strap, and then that goes over the top of the hooks. So I don't know, this is the second battery I've had in here, so whoops, I just lost a nut out of here. Gotta be careful. Anyway, we'll come back to this when I find the other battery, so go ahead and stop. So as you recall, I replaced the battery on my Ranger, the bigger one, and this is the battery out of the Ranger. I think I'll take well, I guess not. I didn't have my air compressor plugged in, so my manual air compressor. Yeah, that's pretty good. Generally, I would take and clean this off, but kind of in a hurry. I'd like to get this thing going. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, it does. So back on with the positive first. Oh, looks like it feels tight. Not too tight. No winch on this one, so it's kind of a bugger to get two of these on here. I need to pick up some longer battery bolts when I do that. I should really clean that terminal off too, but like I say, I'm in a hurry. I want to get this going. Oh, that one's tight too. Should have done this when I headed out. This one here, I'm going to put a little bit of a tightening on. Yep, making sure I got positive here, negative. I'll do a little tightening on this one with the 10mm box combination wrench, open end. Yep, is it going to reach? Come on. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah. That just seems kind of strange that is all of a sudden seems to be a little short. Maybe I just don't have it routed right, but being kind of a pain. Now I got that nut, there we go. Get that this a little bit start to try and get that screwed down. And it's not working very well. Oh, there we go. I think I got it started. Yes, I do. There we go. And take my box end wrench, give it a little bit of persuasion here, tighten it up, open end maybe, might be better. Doesn't seem to want to fit too good here though. I know it's 10. There you go. Now I need to put the strap on it, but I'm just kind of curious if I got. How about that? Let's get the strap on. This thing has always been a wonderful starting machine. It has been one of my favorite, but for some odd reason, I'm not sure if it's just a fluke. I hope I don't go through another battery here. I should really put a voltmeter on here to see what I'm getting for charging. If it is, one thing I guess I could do is turn the key on. Let's go over to the front of it here. Turn the key on. Let me see. Should I put it on high? Let's see if I got a brighter light when I start it. There we go. Working.
If you're liking these videos, please subscribe to my grandpa's channel. Hit the subscribe button right here. I think it's here. Oh well, thank you.